Hi, this is my first video for YouTube, and my YouTube account is basically going to be reviews, shooting, airsoft guns, maybe my shotgun, I don't know yet, airsoft wars and stuff. It's pretty cool, and fishing. Love out fishing, and I'm not kind of an outdoors kind of guy, so yeah. Alright, our review for today is going to be the Hk Mp7. Yes, it's a good, solid, good gun. It's in semi or full auto right here. And I apologize for the camera. It's just my iPhone and the background noise. Sorry. Yeah, you can pick this up at Bass Pro for like $70. I paid for that. Comes in a battery. Comes with a battery and a charger. Yeah, it's got a grip, full magazine, holds up to 180 rounds, which I need to get another one. And an adjustable stock. I believe it's 4 or 5 different positions. And this is the gun without the stock. It has flip-up sights or iron sights, as you can see there. But I like the stock on. Yeah. The interior is basically all metal inside. The outside's plastic. But I like the gun. It's got a good rail up here, so you can add like a scope or something. I haven't really looked into that yet. So you got a bottom rail and 2 side rails, so you can put flashlights and lasers. I don't have any lasers, obviously, or to put on the gun. So, but oh, don't forget it has a hop up. This hop up is very important. I have it like barely on because I don't like the hop up all the way on because it goes pretty far. The max is like 90 feet on this thing for full power. Yeah, I'll show you the clip. Oh, it always comes out with 2 BBs because it's always in the chamber. Put those in there. Full mag, you can pick one of these up. An extra one for like $11, $12 off Amazon or something. But yeah. Semi or full auto. I'm gonna do another video on shooting this. But yeah, that's the Hk Mp7. I recommend this to early airsofters out there. Just a good, solid first gun. I shoot .20 gram BBs out of it, 6mm. That's what the gun is, 6mm. I shoot .20 gram because it's more accurate for this gun, because it's full auto and semi. I think the max FPS for this is 280, I believe. Yeah. But yeah, it's a good gun. Well, that's going to wrap up this review on the Hk Mp7. My next review hopefully will be the Crossman Marine swing action 400 FPS airsoft gun. So hopefully I can get to that within the next couple days. But for now, I'm out. See ya.